Hi everybody, today I'm going to teach you how to make a ribbon lei for graduation. I'll walk you through every step. I promise it's easier than you think. Let's go. You'll need two different colored ribbons that are the same width. This is 3/8 inch wide and this one is 5/8 inch wide. You'll need at least 5 yards of ribbon length. Both sizes turn out so cute. Here are the finished leis so you can decide which ribbon size you want to use. You'll also need a lighter and a pair of scissors. The first step is to line up the two ribbons and tie a knot about 6 to 8 inches up from the ribbon ends. Then make a loop with the first ribbon, in my case the yellow one. Every time you make a loop, you want to loop it towards you. Never loop away from you like this, that won't work. Always loop towards you. Once you have the first loop, take the second ribbon, the blue one, and wrap it around the first ribbon. Then make a loop with the blue ribbon and slide that loop inside of the yellow loop. Gently pull on the yellow loop until it lines up and lays smooth. Then repeat the process by making a yellow loop and slipping it into the blue loop. Pull the blue loop tight. Then you just keep going following that pattern over and over. Make a loop, slip it through the other loop, tighten, make a loop, slip it through. You get the idea. One thing I learned is that it's easier to work if you keep the ribbon on the spools so they don't get tangled, and then put the spools between your body and your hands. At first I had the spools above my hands and that doesn't work as nicely. Follow the pattern of making loops and pulling the ribbon smooth until you get maybe 10 inches from the end of your ribbon. Then it's time to finish off. So make a loop like normal, but then pull it all the way through flat. Pull the other ribbon smooth. Bend the second ribbon up, line up the two ribbons the best you can, then tie a knot and try to wiggle and scooch it down as close to the loops as possible. Tie the two ends of your lei together to form a circle. Trim off the excess ribbon so all the ends are even, then use a lighter to melt the ends of the ribbon. This keeps them from fraying. Now I did want to show you what the thicker ribbon looks like. You follow the exact same process no matter what width of ribbon you choose. Loop, pull, loop, pull, loop, pull. Both leis turn out so stinking cute. Of course, once it's done, you can add any kind of cute embellishments that you can dream up to personalize it even more. I brainstormed some ideas for you and they're on my website. It's easier than you thought to make a ribbon lei, even though it looks complicated. I hope you'll give it a try. You got this. Happy crafting!